how do you feel about people who hoop in Tim's?
People out here hooping in Tim's.
That's a New York thing.
People hoop in Tim's.
That's an East Coast thing.
He didn't know that people hoop in Tim's.
Bro, that's crazy.
Hey, they be balling. Most people who step on court with Tim's, it's like that. That's
seen-
saying some shit. Like, bro, I hoop for real.
I seen people balling Nike boots too.
I could be wrong, but I want to say the professor from AN1 used to hoop in Tim's.
I gotta go see that, bro.
Yeah, people hoop in Tim's.
To just be hooping it to like, nah, because if you cross me over in some Tim's, I'm just gonna get out. I'm subbing myself out the game, and I'm just gonna sit on the bench, bro.
What's worse to get crossed over with Tim's? Why they got on Tim's or lugs?
Either or, bro. Just go ahead and sit down, bro. You don't deserve to be on the
Nigga had Uggs on your ass getting.
coach. Sub me out. I don't deserve to play.
I need some water, coach.
Yeah, for real. Like, no, that shit. You just gotta be like that man, I guess.
Yeah.
I got a button for that. Excuse me.
I swear to God.